Welcome to the Tech Tips channel. Today you are going to learn how to download Photoshop 2021 for free. First, head into the description and copy-paste the link in your browser. Now click on the direct download button, then disable your ad block for this site. Make sure to have your VPN turned on. If you don't have VPN on your computer, you can check the previous video on our channel. Remember, the key to extract your files is 1 2 3. Now extract the files from the folder. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn the bell ring on to stay updated to our latest videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn the bell ring on to stay updated to our latest videos. Comment below what tutorial you would like to see. Now that the installation is complete, launch the Photoshop app, and boom, now you have Photoshop 2021 for free. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, smile, peace.